Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you revision in science for 3rd standard. So already in the previous class, we have started the revision, children. So we have completed the objectives, that is choose, fill up, true or false and match. Now we are going to continue with the question answers. Okay, children? Have you all finished writing in the classwork all the objectives? Yes, now we are going to write the answer the following. Okay, that is Roman number 5. Answer the following. Okay, children? So all have to write in your classwork, children. From this revision only you will get for your annual exam. So first question, land and water are common habitats. Okay. What is a habitat? What is a habitat? So answer is, so already I have written in your class, so children, those watching the classes regularly, I think you have written in your classwork. Now for the revision we are going to write again now, okay? So it is in page number 72. The answer is the living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Okay? This is the first question. Then next, give 2 examples for each. A. Terrestrial animal. A. Terrestrial animal. 2 examples they have asked. Cow, lion. Okay. Then B. Aquatic animal. So answer for this is shark, fish. Okay, these are the 2 answers. This is the second one. Third answer, why animals move from place to place. So the answer is animals move from place to place in search of food. Okay, children, this is the third answer. Fourth, nectar is the food of butterfly. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Nectar is a food of butterfly. Then what is the food of earthworm? Then what is the food of earthworm? Answer. The food of earthworm is soil. The food of earthworm is soil with organic waste and microbes. With organic waste and microbes. Okay, children. Then fifth question, is human an omnivore or carnivore? So the answer is carnivore. Sorry children, omnivore. Okay. Then sixth question, give an example of a food chain. Give an example of a food chain. Answer, grass, rabbit, snake. Okay, grass, rabbit and snake. Seventh question, choose the correct food chain. Choose the correct food chain. Answer, that is C. Leaf, insect, leaves, insect and bird. From this lesson, this 7 questions once again we'll read children. Land and water are common habitats. What is a habitat? The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Give 2 examples for each. Terrestrial animal, cow, lion. Aquatic animal, shark, fish. Why animals move from place to place? Animals move from place to place in search of food. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Then what is the food of earthworm? The food of earthworm is soil with organic waste and microbes. Fifth question, is human an omnivore or carnivore? Answer is omnivore. Give an example of a food chain. Grass, rabbit, snake. 7. Choose the correct food chain. Answer is leaves, insect and bird. Now next from the third lesson we will take, that is yes, you have finished this children. I'm going to rub the board. So next is from the third lesson. Okay, so whatever I'm giving, write like that children. Okay, right. Then 8th one, write the use of windmill. Write the use of windmill. Answer, it is in page number 94. Electricity is generated from wind with the help of the windmills. Okay children, this is your 8th question. Then 9th, what is breathing? What is breathing? Answer, the process of the process of air. The process of taking air. Sorry children, of taking air, it should come there, okay? The process of taking air into and expelling it from the lungs, that is in and out of the lungs, okay? So the process of taking air into and expelling it from the lungs. Next question, write the types of wind. Write the types of wind based on the speed of air. Based on the speed of air. Okay, we are going to write what are the types now. Answer is breeze, storm and gale. Okay, these are the 10 questions. So first we'll read these 3 questions now. Write the use of windmill. Electricity is generated from wind with the help of the windmills. What is breathing? The process of taking air into and expelling it from the lungs. Write the types of wind based on the speed of air. Answer is breeze, storm and gale. Next we are going to write the answer in detail. So take down neatly in your notebook children without any mistakes, so that it will be easy for you to learn. Next, Roman number 6, answer in detail. First question. Differentiate a herbivore from a carnivore. Answer is we are going to differentiate now. Herbivore, carnivore. So herbivore we are going to know animals that eat only plants. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. That is plant eaters. Okay. Example: deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. Then carnivores: flesh eating animals are called carnivores. Example: tiger, lion, cheetah. Okay, this is a first detail. So that is differentiate a herbivore from a carnivore. Herbivore, animals that eat only plants are called herbivores, plant eaters. Carnivore, flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Herbivore example, deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. Carnivore example, tiger, lion and cheetah. So next is only one detail from the first lesson. A second lesson or third lesson will go. You have 3 details there. So we all finished this, student. That is detail 2. What are the properties of air? What are the properties of air? Answer. Those who have the book can take page number 93. Properties of air. Air has no definite shape and color. Shape and color. Air has weight. Air has weight and it occupies space. And it occupies space. Air can flow everywhere. Air can flow everywhere. We cannot see air, but it can be felt. Okay, this is a second detail. Now we'll go to the third detail now. Write the processes involved in breathing. Write the processes involved in breathing. Answer. That is in page number 97. Inhalation. Inhalation is the process of taking the air inside. Exhalation is the process of releasing the air. So exhalation is the process of releasing the air outside. And next, this cyclical process of inhalation and exhalation is called breathing. Okay, this is the third detail. So what are the 2 details here? What are the properties of air? Air has no definite shape and color. Air has weight and it occupies space. Air can flow everywhere. We cannot see air, but it can be felt. Next, third detail. Write the process involved in breathing. Inhalation is the process of taking the air inside. Exhalation is the process of releasing the air outside. This cyclical process of inhalation and exhalation is called breathing. So next last question now, last detail. Differentiate between land breeze and sea breeze. Land breeze and sea breeze is the last detail, children. So now we are going to differentiate land breeze and sea breeze. Now land breeze, the breeze that blows from the land. The breeze that blows from the land towards the sea during nighttime is known as land breeze. It's known as land breeze. Now sea breeze, the breeze that blows from the sea towards the land during daytime is known as sea breeze. Okay, children, so with this we are finishing this revision. Okay, so once again we'll read this. What is land breeze and sea breeze? The breeze that blows from the land towards the sea during night time is known as land breeze. Then the breeze that blows from the sea towards the land during daytime is known as sea breeze. Okay, children? So with this we are finishing the annual revision. That is, choose, fill up, true or false, match and answer the following 10 questions I have given and detail 4 details I have given. From this you will get for your annual exam, children. Okay? Learn well for your exam. Thank you.